I greetings you on my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how I draw the surfer on the sunset. If you're ready, tap like for this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. As usual, we start by lubricating the canvas with the white spirit for the better paint application. Horizontal movements begin to apply paint, filling the white areas of the canvas, gradually forming the background. All movements with the brush are done in a horizontal position. Now with a napkin or a soft brush we connect a smooth transition. To brighten the horizon, I dip the white spirit in a brush. To make the effect of the sunbeam, you need to insert a napkin in the direction of his direction. Now we make a lining under the shore, which consists of purple that represents the sky and a dark sand. Start drawing the clouds. Make the shape of the clouds in a circular motion. Closer to the sun, add the yellow color. When you have applied the colors from which the cloud is formed with a slight movement of the finger, we combine into one. This should be done extremely carefully with the yellow paint, as it can turn green when mixed. Also, when mixing, you can use a napkin. Now add the dark tones of the clouds. For this we use purple paint. Also, with the help of the napkin, smoothly connect them. For draw the sun, we use the white paint as the lightest tone. Also with the brush draw the sun's rays to the sides where they shine. Use dark colors to draw the horizon. This is how we show the distance. In the center of the sun, we leave the place for the light beam. I advise you not to paint over the sea completely in a blue, since the color of the sky should be displayed as the glade in it. Now with the beige paint, we draw glare in the distance of the sea. Rocks and stones I usually draw with the paling knife, as they are very sharp. Black paint sets the shape of the rocks. Now with the brush we draw the lower parts of the rock. With the help of ochre color, we begin to form the coast. Along the line of the sun, we add the yellow color. We make lining under the waves, which consist of the dark water. Throw some more highlights, but don't overdo this. This can spoil the overall picture of the scene. Gradually proceed to join the first distant wave. A technique similar to drawing clouds. From below, we draw the dark areas, on the top, light. Also, do not forget to add the shadow from the rock and the wave. Draw the wave behind the rock. Add some dark highlights. Now with the semicircular movements we set the shape of the second wave. We can also add some yellow highlights from the sun. Just like with the first wave, we make the shadow of the bottom and the wave and the light areas on the top. Try to make the wave as curved as possible, because in the nature there are not perfectly even waves. Add the little darker shadow and the white highlight. Draw the wet part to the shore. Paint white form at the end of the wave. Now let's start drawing the surfer. With the help of the vertical stripe, we outline the main vector of the surfer's movements. With the very thin brush, we begin to draw the fingers. Since we have a surfer girl, we make her waist and expand to the hips. Gradually paint over the head and hair in a dark color. Now paint black over the body. Start drawing the surfboard. Also, do not forget that, like every living object, it has a shadow. Now, with the help of the yellow paint, we draw highlights along the contour. Also set the shape of the hair and sweep shade. Light and yellow paint add some highlights to the rock. Add some sunshine with the help of the napkin. We can add some dark shades on the clouds. also draw the sun glare on the clouds. On this moment, we will finish drawing this picture. Do not forget to sign it in the end. Write in comments what was the most difficult for you to draw, or if you want to learn how to draw in the next video. If you like this lesson, tap like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for the watching and see you soon.